In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a WooCommerce product page. If you're looking to enhance your online store and create a more engaging shopping experience for your customers, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the site editor. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Appearance tab and click on Editor. This is often referred to as the site editor. Once you're in, take a look at the options on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see several possibilities for customization, but what we're interested in today is the Templates section. Clicking on Templates will reveal a variety of options related to different aspects of your site. For our purposes, locate the Single Product option. In some cases, you might not see this template right away. If that's the case, don't worry. Simply click on Add New Template, and from the options available, choose Product. By doing this, you're setting up a dedicated layout specifically for your product pages. Now that you're in the product page layout editor, what you're seeing is the default design for all your product pages. This is where the magic happens, as you have the power to customize the look and feel of these pages using Gutenberg blocks. Let's explore some of these handy tools. To start customizing, consider adding a group or columns block to give structure to your layout. This will allow you to organize how your content appears to users. Once your layout is structured, it's time to bring in the WooCommerce specific blocks to make the page informative and complete. You'll want to incorporate essential elements such as the product title. This block will automatically pull in the title of the product you're showcasing. Following that, add the product image block. Visuals are crucial in e-commerce, and this block ensures your product is represented as intended. Next, the product price block should be added, clearly displaying the cost to potential buyers. Don't forget about the product rating block, which provides credibility and reassures customers by showing reviews from other shoppers. A must-have for any product page is, of course, the Add to Cart button. This allows visitors to easily purchase with a single click. Finally, include the Product Data Tabs block, which contains valuable details like shipping information or additional specifications. Wrapping up your customization, add the Product Short Description block, giving a concise overview of the item. With all these elements in place, your layout should be looking good. Before you finish up, make sure to click Save to apply all the changes you've made to every product page on your site. This action guarantees that your newly designed page will be seen by everyone who visits your store. And that's it. You've just personalized your WooCommerce product page to better reflect the style and needs of your business. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.